If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Really, Apple? Max? iPhone XS Max? Oh boy.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
What's going on, guys? Apple World here. So today, Apple released the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. The rumors were true. The new iPhones are called XS Max. So the plus naming is a thing of the past, and Max is here to stay. So let's go ahead and go over everything that you need to know on the new iPhone XS and on the new XS Max. The all-new iPhone XS has an OLED display which offers 455 pixels per inch. That allows the iPhone to play HDR content, which means that blacks will be more black and that there will be more beautiful brightness and more beautiful contrast. Also, the new iPhones are rated IP68, which means that you can actually hold your iPhone up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. I don't really know why Apple said this on the keynote. It was kind of weird, but the new iPhone XS actually resists to coffee, tea, and soda. So if you spill soda on your iPhone XS, just to let you guys know that your $1,000 iPhone will be okay. Apple also said that Face ID is much faster on the new iPhone XS. Apple didn't really say how much and how much faster it is. Apple didn't really mention how much faster it is, so I guess we will have to wait till I unbox it and review it to actually compare to the old Face ID. I guess this is like Face ID 2.0. Okay, so the iPhone XS is a literal beast. The Snapdragon 845 is a literal joke compared to the new A12 Bionic from Apple, which is Apple's brand new CPU, which is actually 50% faster and actually uses 50% less power. So we're gonna get better battery life and much faster speed. So let's talk about the camera for a second, because it's probably what excites me the most about the all-new iPhone XS. We now get Smart HDR, which enhances certain features like faster sensors, enhanced ISPs, and advanced algorithm. It simply brings more highlights and more shadows to your photos. The iPhone XS also has a much sophisticated bokeh, which is definitely a feature that is really welcome. On my iPhone X, the bokeh, I mean, it's great, and literally the camera that we have on our pockets today is completely insane. But the bokeh on the iPhone X really needed an improvement, and we finally get that improvement on the iPhone XS. It also lets you adjust the depth of field and the aperture, which is awesome. I mean, I just can't believe we have this type of technology straight on our pocket. I mean, back in the days, we would have literally needed a huge camera, and now it simply fits on our pocket. Madness. We also get better low light, enhanced portrait mode selfies, sharper action shots, and so much more. Now, to be honest, I thought the battery of the iPhone XS was going to be so much better. The battery of the iPhone XS lasts 30 minutes longer than the actual iPhone X, which is not really that much. I thought it was going to be like a much crazier amount, which 30 minutes, they're welcome, but I think, come on, Apple. You could have done better. Where the things get interesting is actually on the X Max. It actually lasts 1.5 hours more than the actual iPhone X. So in the X Max, you're getting so much better battery life. So if you're looking into really good battery life on a smartphone, definitely get the iPhone X Max, XS Max. Josh, I freaking hate the name. I really don't like the name of iPhone XS Max. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the new naming? iPhone XS Max? I don't know. No, I hate it. Dual SIM support is also available on the iPhone XS, and the iPhone XS come in 3 colors: silver, space gray, and gold, and the pricing start at $999, and pre-orders open on the 14th of September. So that's pretty much it. That's everything that you need to know on the upcoming iPhone XS. What are my thoughts on the iPhone XS? I'll be making a bunch of videos this week. But basically, let's not forget that this is an S release. It's a pretty small, like if you're coming from an iPhone X, it's not that much big of a deal. Like it's still a lot of money. So if you have the iPhone X, it might not be worth it. But if you guys think about it as well, the iPhone X right now, if you sell it, you can probably sell it for $700, $600. So it's not really going down in value, the iPhone X. So if you sell your iPhone X, you can literally just put $300 or $400, and then you can get the iPhone XS and XS Max. So I'll be making a video on is the iPhone XS worth it compared to the iPhone. So definitely subscribe, turn on notifications, get hyped for this week's video. It is currently so late. It's currently 1 o'clock and I have to edit and post this video. But of course, the grind never stops here in the channel. The grind never stops in Apple World. I think I'm waking up my mom. It's literally so late. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the iPhone XS If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, links are down below. I already made an Apple Watch Series 4, everything that you need to know. So if you're interested in the Apple Watch Series 4, just click the video that's going to pop up right now. Anyways, peace!